Today I'm making 50 lip balms, and I'm making this because I've got a little do that I'm going to go to next week. And this lip balm will help a lot of people in the winter times because it's going to protect the lips and, help to restore the lips' natural, balance. And if you've got cold sores or anything like that, it's just going to help to hydrate your lip as well. I've got this little lip balm kit offline, and I think it come in handy. So now we have all of the lip balms on. I'm going to make sure I'm going to press them down and on secured. These two I had done samples with them to see if the balm case was any good. So these two I've already done. So I just put some tissue in there just to seal up the hole that me not forget. So when I pour it in, it don't go into them too. Alright, I'm going to melt the butters, then put everything together and come back. Alright, this is all the butters I'm going to be melting. And then I'll come back and mix everything up. Alright, this is my lip balm fragrance, minted honey, guys. Oh my, this is all right. See you in a bit. So I decided to put a little muslin cloth on the tip of my pouring jug because you know what, I use beeswax and I use other ingredients, and because I'm doing this on the lips, I just want to make sure I have a smooth base. So I'm just straining it just in case. You know what I mean? Nothing is there, but I still do it. But it's working, because look, it'll go right down in a little hole, and I never even intended that. So this worked out all right, perfect. This worked out perfect for me. I'm going to do this again. And then when I finish, I'm just going to use the spatula. And while it's still a bit warmish, and I'm just going to scrape it off because I want to make sure I get enough lip balm into the cells. So I'm going to reheat this one and pour again until I get a smooth top and fill to the max. This is my 42 lip balms that I made because there is 8 cells that I didn't get to fill. 2 I used for sample. Guys, try the lip balm. My. I have to take out 2 for myself. I'm sorry. Me have to take out then 2 here for myself, you understand? So this is actually 42 lip balms at the moment filled. The 8, well, the other 6 I never get fulfilled, so I'll do that one next time. But let me tell you, minted honey, you need to grab 3 when you're buying this. Alright, I'm doing 2 for £10. I don't know how I'll get the third one, but I don't have to get the third one. But this is alright, so this is it. All my balms are filled. Alright, so I'll see you next week. I'm just gonna keep it covered until it's ready to cap. Alright, so now we're just going to do this. Yeah, so everything stays sterile. Seal up. Yeah. All done. I'm so proud of me. Really proud of myself. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna love these lip balms. I promise you, them juicy. So juicy. I was on the tube the other day and I saw this video of this lady. She was making lip balms and she had around 250 cells, like a tray with 250 cells that she could have stopped the lip balms in. And I was like, whoa. So I started to look on the internet for the UK. Nada. Nothing over here like that. She's in Canada. So I was like, oh my goodness, I'd love to get something like that here. See it here? All 42 lip balms ready to put labels on and get packing for you. These are so good. If you have cold sore, this is it. If you have chapped lip, this is it. If you have dry lips, this is it. If your lips just always a burn you, this is it. We are being cold weather now, so this is what you need to gear up for. 2 for £10, all right? Find me. See you next week.